It's a beach day today. We are here in Valkon Beach. Excited, Rosie?
It's not really deep.
So Rihanna have been here for many times, but it's my first time here. Let's see how is their beach? Is it nice or not? Rosie, we are here. Ready to go? Ready to go.
Is it nice? Not too noisy in here.
No, it's really.
We can go there and sit.
Put there.
So hot.
So, see if we can find a shade. Let's go.
That's Rosie where?
See where we can find.
Papa. must be there. because
Careful now, because it cannot be wet. Only here nearby. Only here. Only here.
Let's just stand up. Rosie. No. She's just like this. She's not sitting down. She was just like this.
Balance. Like this.
I know. I have seen that too.
Yeah. Wow.
Oh my God! Look here.
Good job, Rosie. Don't drink the water.
Mama, am I swimming?
Are you? Are you swimming? Come on,
I'm
Rosie.
walking.
Do like this. Do like this with your hand. Oh, wow.
Rosie.
Yeah. Yeah. Whoop. Whoop.
Let's go there.
They're not nearby. So what do you think here, Ayana?
It's so nice. First time you have been in the Valkon Beach, but me no.
No,
I have been
here
in
a million times.
Yeah.
A few times, but you should go swim now. Go swim.
I wanna eat.
Let's go eat. You go eat. Huh? Fish? Yeah, it's there. Hi guys, so we are in Valkon Beach And this is my first time here, and it's actually nice here. There's not so many people, and the beach is not so big. It's just so tiny.
So big.
It's not big, but the water is warm and it's nice. Actually, have you enjoyed the water, Yana? What do you think about the water?
I like it.
Is it warm? And Rosie loves playing in the water, running around in the sand, and her father is running after her. It is so nice weather. It is 29 degrees now and it's hot. Is it snack time again? What do you want? Somebody is looking for snacks. What do you want? Water? Oh, go away. What are you doing? Let's go. So how many times have you been here, Yana?
100.
A few times. So Yana have been here a few times, but for me this is just my first time here. And I like here because there's not so many people and it's quiet, and you can actually go swim without any other people. So I like it. Even though I don't really want to go swimming,